Hi everyone, this is a product spotlight video on our SSBC beam clamp. This is our most versatile beam clamp that we offer. It is DACROMET coated, RoHS compliant, and UL listed. It features two quarter 20 holes as well as a 1024. You've got your quarter 20 here, quarter 20 here, and 1024 here. These threaded impressions are useful for installing things such as bridle rings, like so, as well as J-hooks. You have your through hole for up to 3/8 threaded rod located here. The screw features a hex shape as well as Phillips. Installation is really simple. Just slide it onto your beam, screw it down, and you're done.